Hi again, folks. Chris here with Smart Choice Homes. And if you want some great Texas country living, check out the Eisenhower. As you notice, it does come with shutters, a custom paint job. It'll also include shingles on the roof, right? Tape and textured interior. And as you can tell, it is a country lifestyle's dream. Now that y'all seen the exterior, why don't y'all come on in and look at the interior. Folks, we're here in the kitchen inside our Eisenhower. If you notice, it does have a nice backsplash, all the creature comforts and amenities, right? On this side, you're gonna notice it does have a dishwasher, your farm sink, and your refrigerator. My favorite part, folks, about this kitchen is gonna be this huge island we have here, right? You can assemble all kinds of treats and gifts and stuff like that for friends when you have them over for your next holiday season. All right, folks. Right now what we have is a dining room area with plenty of lighting, natural lighting that comes in, and it also leads into a really good mudroom / washroom area. Next we have up is our huge living room area with our nice high beams, plenty of lighting, huge space, and easy ways into the master side and to your other bedrooms. On this side of the house, you're going to have the extra 2 bedrooms and bath. Alrighty, people, we're in the master bedroom, right, where you can fit a king-size bed with plenty of extra furniture, right? If you notice, we do have, again, natural lighting that comes in here. Also, we don't have a ceiling fan in now, but they can be upgradable to have a ceiling fan at the time of purchase. Alrighty, folks, we're here in the master bathroom. This huge closet is what I'm coming out of, right? If you notice, you do have a walk-in shower, spa-like tub, and then you have his and hers sinks in the vanity. Alrighty, folks, just a reminder, we are located 20 minutes south of San Antonio in Atascocita, Texas. Why don't y'all come on out and see us?